Thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and find a comfortable seat, lengthen the spine, and gently close your eyes. And start to connect with a deeper breath. If your body is feeling tired or sore today, you're more than welcome to gently lay down on your back, bend the knees, and place the soles of the feet down on the earth. Soften the muscles of your body and keep your core engaged to keep the spine long if you're seated. Allow each muscle in your body to be still and the mind focused on your breath and on my voice. And take a moment to dedicate your meditation to someone you love, as well as to yourself. I'm finding 3 deep breaths together. Take a deep inhale through your nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. Two more just like that if it felt good. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest. And exhale through the lips. One more. Inhale through the nose, guiding your breath into your belly, into your chest, and exhale, let it all go. And draw back to your natural breath again, savoring the flow of each inhale and exhale. Just letting each breath happen organically. Take a moment to tune in to how you're feeling today. There may be issues, stress, or pain that you're experiencing in the moment. But I just want you to focus on what does feel good. And this isn't about pretending that our problems don't exist. It's just about taking a moment to really breathe into what does feel good and what is working for you in your life right now. It's about reflecting on your current blessings that you do have. How does the air feel on your skin right now? How does each deep breath feel on your lungs? How does your energetic heart feel right now? Coming back to your breath, continue to focus on each deep breath and what you're thankful for in your life right now. Finding 3 more deep breaths together. And take another deep inhale through the nose, guiding your breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. And part the lips and take a big exhale. Last one if you wish. Inhale through the nose, guiding the breath into your belly, into your chest. And take a big, slow exhale through the mouth. Come back to the natural breath again, letting go of any effort. And start to slowly wiggle the fingers and the toes. Flutter the eyes open like a butterfly opening its wings. And welcome yourself back to the space around you. Thank you so much again for joining me today. I hope that you're able to take this peace that you've cultivated for yourself into the rest of your day.